How are you, sir?
Okay, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good, sir.
Cool. So I need you for a busy job. You're gonna tell me if you can do this. I think if you can scrap the library, it's gonna take like probably 10 minutes. If not, it's gonna be a little bit longer with copy paste, but let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna share my screen if that's
Yeah,
okay with
sure.
you. Okay, good. Uh, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, sir.
Okay, so I need to scrap this database of emojis. It's Joy Pixel 3.1. So I think uh, you can find it here on Emojipedia, Joy Pixel 3.1. Yep. So I will send you the link, but this is the base. And I need to put this into a Notion database. Are you familiar with Notion?
No, sir, I don't know about it. I don't have any
Okay.
experience. But no problem.
Okay.
I'm a first
It's
learner.
it's a it's a it's a free tool. It's a free tool, so you can just create an account, and I will share you a page. It's a collaborative tool.
Okay.
And I'm going to need you to put this inside of a database like this.
Emoji decks.
Yes. Okay, like this one, you see? And
Yes.
so how it goes, it's like uh, the image, which is actually the link and the link. Okay, and so the way I would do it is like for every entry here, you have to create a new page and go click on this. It's got a name. Here it's in French, but that's good. And so you would do this, go here, give the name, and then this. Here, copy the address of the image, and then go back and say link, copy, and image. Here, integrate the link and copy. Okay,
Okay.
that's what I need.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
is that something you can do?
Yeah, sure. Can I do a sample right now?